So, Akari, originally from the Congo, okay, was in for the Detail Czar Certified Detailer Licensee Private Training Program this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. He did an absolute amazing job along with the trainers on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Did the interior, the exterior, the engine. We coated the interior, we coated the exterior. So amazing job. So what did you think of the whole weekend in general?
This is a game changer for me. I can tell it's the training has just set me up for success.
So definitely.
Yeah.
And how many languages do you speak?
I speak 6 languages.
6 languages. Yeah. That's amazing, man. Yeah. I can barely speak 1 language. You're speaking 6. So
this helped me to welcome all the kind of customers you can communicate.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So you're going to be operating your business in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, which is about how many hours here from Pittsburgh?
About 4 hours.
About 4 hours.
Half, yeah.
So do you feel that the weekend was very rewarding for you?
It's very worth it. The drive feel like 30-minute drive because of the training. Yeah.
Excellent. You did a fabulous job. So you learned how to do paint correction, polishing. You put a ceramic coating on that Jeep on the paint.
Yeah.
The glass, and you detailed the interior today.
Yeah.
Okay, and you also coated the interior.
So much stuff. I used to drive. I used to clean my car, and I thought that was car detailing, but it was nothing. It's like 1% of car detailing.
You want exactly amazing.
Now I'm very.
So when are you going to start the business?
As soon as I get home, I'm gonna get my van fixed and
ready to rock and roll.
Getting my supply from my trainers.
Well, we appreciate that.
Very good products. I was very impressed. You can see how
you can see, yeah.
I wish they show you how the car was before.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
So now, Fikiri, you are detail up. Let me tell you, you are Detail Czar certified, brother, for auto detailing and jade ceramic coatings. Thank you very much. Fantastic student.
Thank you.
Thank you.